Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to learn how to convert angle and degree, minutes and seconds sexagesimal with Texas Instrument TI-84 plus CE Python edition. This video is part of a full video of TI-84 plus CE Python edition. Link is below this video in the description. If you press, let's say, window and you're stuck, you can press second function quit to exit from that screen. Let's set all our values to default so we do the same. So we have the same settings. Second function, just follow the screen. Mem is here, and then 7, 2, and 2. It has been resetted, and press clear. To convert to a unit, you must be in the target unit. And we will see the unit here. It's setting in radian. Now 45, let's example 1, convert 45 degrees to radian. Now we know the target is radian, and here it says radian, so we are okay. Now 45, and then second function, angle. Now we will bring degree 1, and if I press enter, it shows it as radian because this is degree, and the value that you read here is whatever you see here, radian. Now let's convert to 2.5 radians to degree. So the target is degree. Let's change the unit, press mode once and twice, come here, radian is selected, go to the right, degree, press enter, and clear to exit. Now 2.5, second function, angle. This time press 3 to bring the radian. Now it says 2.5 radian, and when I press it, it says 143.239 degree, whatever is there. So this is that unit. Example number 3, let's convert pi over 4 radians to degree. So second function, pi, this is the pi, and then alpha fraction 4. Now if I press enter, you get a value in degree which is incorrect. Now let's paste this value again. I'm going up once, twice, the highlight is there, press it, it's there, and now just bring the radian, second function, angle, and 3. We have now radian. If I press it, you will see that we got 45. Now let's see how we can work with sexagesimal. We have a unit, a value written like this. So 5 degrees, 18 with 1 apostrophe, this is minute, and then 35 with this double quote, this is the second. And we can convert from this format to actual decimal value, or from this value, from angle, to this format. For DMS, degree, minute, second, the unit must be in degree, so we must be in degree mode in here. Now let's see how we can convert 5 degrees, 18 minutes, and 35 seconds to degree. 5, second function, angle 1, so we have degree, and then 18, second function, angle, minute, and then for the second we go with 35 alpha in here. This plus symbol, alpha is written, double quote is there. If I press enter, that is 5.3 degrees because we are in degree as well. Now if you want to add 25 minutes and 36 seconds to 7 degrees, 11 minutes and 20 seconds, we have to write it like this, and we must add the missing unit. If any of these elements are missing, if the second is missing, you must add 0, otherwise you will get error. Now let's enter this value, 0, second function, angle 1, and then 25, second function, angle 2, and then 36, 36, second function, this value, and then plus. We have now plus, and then this portion, 7 degrees, 11 minutes, 20 seconds, 7 degrees, 11, and then second function, angle 2, that's minute, and then 20 alpha seconds, and press enter. That is 7.6155 degrees. Now let's convert this 45.365 degrees in DMS format for 5.365, and then second function, angle number 4, DMS. So it says get this value and convert it to DMS. Press enter. Now it shows 45 degrees, 21 minutes, and 54 seconds. So the answer is in DMS. Thank you for watching. Please thumb up the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe.